Hi everybody, welcome back. It's just a quick update, let you know what I bought at the Ottawa Scale Model Car Show a couple of weeks ago. I only got 3 kits and 2 display cases. So these are the 3 that I got. The Revell 67 Dodge Coronet RT, the Monogram Ice Tea by Tom Daniels, and the ZZ Top Eliminator Kit, Monogram. Got those for $15 each. I haven't been doing much lately. I have one more video to put up for the All Mopar group build, so I'll be putting that up soon. We're doing some renovations here in the basement and upstairs, so I have to shut down my workshop, pack everything away, move everything out of the way, and over the next week or two I'll be doing some renovations, and then I'm going to reset up my my workshop down here and try and get organized a little better. So I'll still be watching videos, but I won't be building anything for the next few weeks as well. So stay tuned, and we'll see what happens next. Thanks for watching.